Two-piece toilets are the most widely installed toilet style in North America, and for good reason. The tank and bowl ship separately, making them easier to carry, easier to install, and significantly cheaper to repair since individual components can be replaced without replacing the entire unit. But performance varies considerably between models. In this video, we cover 5 of the best two-piece toilets currently available. The TOTO Drake is the most complete two-piece toilet package currently available at its price point, and it is the model most consistently recommended by plumbers when a client wants reliable, long-term performance without overspending. Yes, it uses TOTO's Tornado Flush system, 2 angled nozzles positioned inside the rim that push water in a continuous centrifugal motion across the entire bowl surface on every flush. Because the rim has no holes, there are no spots where mineral deposits or bacteria can build up inside the rim over time, a problem that develops in every standard rim hole toilet eventually. The bowl surface is coated with Cephiontect glaze, which prevents waste and bacteria from bonding to the porcelain, keeping the bowl visibly cleaner between uses with less scrubbing. It flushes at 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified by the EPA. Universal height seating at 17 inches meets ADA accessibility requirements. A soft close seat is included in the package, meaning no separate seat purchase is needed. The toilet is also Washlet Plus ready, as with an integrated cord channel built into the tank that conceals wiring when a TOTO bidet seat is added later. For a homeowner who wants TOTO's proven flush technology in a practical, installation-ready package, the Drake is the strongest choice in the two-piece category. The Kohler Cimarron with Revolution 360 represents Kohler's strongest flush performance in the two-piece format, and it achieves that through a combination of 2 technologies that work together more effectively than either does alone. The Revolution 360 system distributes water in a continuous swirling motion around the full 360-degree circumference of the bowl rim on every flush. Standard Kohler Class 5 toilets cover only a portion of the rim. The Revolution 360 covers all of it, which means the entire interior bowl surface is rinsed on every single flush, rather than just the forward-facing section. That flush is powered by Kohler's aquapiston canister valve. A standard flapper valve opens from one side only, releasing water unevenly and losing pressure partway through the flush. The aquapiston canister opens from all 360 degrees of the valve at once, delivering consistent water pressure from the beginning to the end of every flush. It runs at 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified. Comfort height seating at 16.5 inches meets ADA requirements. The 2-bolt omnidirectional tank leveling system allows the tank to be adjusted during installation to sit level on bowls that may not be perfectly level, a practical advantage in older homes where floors and fixtures are not always perfectly even. But note that a seat is sold separately. For a homeowner who wants Kohler's most capable flush system in a two-piece format, the Cimarron with Revolution 360 is the model to choose. The American Standard H2 option delivers more for the money than any other two-piece toilet in this list, and the key reason is what comes included in the package. Most two-piece toilets at this price require a separate seat purchase and a separate wax ring purchase before installation can begin. The H2 option ships with a soft close seat and a wax ring already included, meaning everything needed for a complete installation arrives in one box. The flush system uses a top-mounted push-button dual flush actuator, a large button on the top of the tank that offers 2 settings. While the partial flush runs at 0.92 gallons per flush for liquid waste, which is the lowest per flush water usage of any toilet in this entire list. The full flush runs at 1.28 gallons per flush for solid waste, and that full flush achieves a 1,000 gram MAP score, meaning it clears the maximum tested solid waste load in a single flush. The bowl surface carries American Standard's EverClean antimicrobial finish, which inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew on the porcelain surface. The power wash rim directs water around the full inside of the bowl during flushing for consistent bowl coverage. Chair height seating at 16.5 inches meets ADA accessibility requirements. For a homeowner who wants full flush performance, a complete installation package, and the lowest per flush water usage in this category at a mid-range price, the H2 option delivers the strongest overall value. The TOTO Drake 1.6 gallons per flush version exists to solve one specific and common problem. A home with older drain lines where the standard 1.28 gallons per flush occasionally fails to fully clear the bowl or carry waste through the full length of the pipe. Most modern plumbing handles 1.28 gallons per flush without any difficulty. But in homes built before 1994, when low-flow toilets became the standard, the drain lines were designed around higher water volumes and a lower flow flush sometimes lacks the velocity needed to carry waste through those longer, narrower, or more horizontal pipe runs. The Drake 1.6 gallons per flush uses the same Tornado Flush dual nozzle system and Cephiontech ceramic glaze as the standard Drake. Yes, but runs at 1.6 gallons per flush, 25% more water volume per flush than the WaterSense version. That additional volume generates measurably stronger hydraulic force through the drain line on every flush, reducing incomplete clearance in systems that were built for higher flow toilets. Universal height seating at 17 inches meets ADA requirements, a soft close seat is included, and the toilet is Washlet Plus ready for bidet seat upgrades. For homeowners in older properties who have experienced repeated flushing issues even after replacing previous toilets, this is the TOTO model that directly addresses the underlying cause. Yes, the HOROW HR-E17D makes the strongest case for a budget two-piece toilet in this category by achieving a full 1,000 gram MAP flush score, the same maximum performance rating held by the American standard H2 option, at a price that undercuts most of the competition. That MAP score is earned through a 360-degree siphon flush system with a fully glazed trapway, which draws waste through the bowl cleanly using hydraulic suction rather than relying solely on water pressure. The dual flush system offers 1.1 gallons per flush for liquid waste and 1.6 gallons per flush for solid waste. The 1.1 gallons per flush liquid flush is the most water efficient option in this list alongside the H2 option, which produces meaningful savings on water bills in any household that flushes frequently throughout the day. Now, ADA-compliant chair height seating sits at 17 inches from floor to rim, a height that is comfortable for most adults and appropriate for older users or those with limited mobility who find standard height toilets difficult to use. The elongated bowl provides the longer, more comfortable seated surface that most adult users prefer over a round bowl. A soft close seat is included. For a first-time homeowner, a rental property, a secondary bathroom, or any renovation where budget is the primary constraint, the HOROW HR-E17D delivers full MAP-rated flush performance in a two-piece format without requiring a premium investment.